We are going to look on how to connect or make your microphone cables, and I have my cable here. It is ready to be used. So here we have 3 wires. We have the red wire, we have the white wire, and the other wire, which normally acts like as an earth. Here is our pin. So we have 1, 2, here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Normally the red wire goes to 2, white wire goes to 3, and the other wire, which is earth, goes to 1. You don't ever try and confuse these things, because your microphone will not work, or it will start making some funny sounds. Yeah, so let's get to it immediately. I'm going to prepare here. So here is my 2, this is my 2, so the red wire will go to 2. That is not good enough, so I understand this one is a very difficult thing to deal with. That is 2, followed by 1, followed by 1, then followed by 3. Followed by 3. And there we go. It is very clean. As you can see, this one is very clean. Nicely done. So here's 1, 2, 3. Red, 2, white, 3, earth, 1. Okay? Don't ever confuse these things. I'm going to put it back together. There you go. So you make sure you repeat the same thing to the other side. Okay.